Okay children, this is very interesting exercise. We want to fill the blanks, but the option was given here. So let's see what are the option was given here. Okay, before that we just read it out the heading carefully, then we can move into the exercise. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. We want to fill the blanks with the correct beginning blends. We want to correct beginning blends using the correct beginning blends which was given in the option. By using this we are going to fill the blank. Okay, what are the options? First see what are the options was given here. FL, okay, GR, CH, THR, GL, BL, SCR. Okay, these are the options was given. Okay, let's see the exercise, then we will come to the end. Okay, let's see this. Okay, let's go with the first one. A girl is what doing? She's having a balloon in his hand. She's blowing. Blue. You are getting a B sound. Where is the B starting here? Yes, blue. Blue means you are blowing the balloon. Blue. Okay. Next, this is, here is the two children. The children are here. They are throwing the balls. He threw it. Okay, if he finished that action, throw, so it will become a threw. We are getting a THR. Where is the THR in the options? Yes, here is a THR. THR, threw, because the boy is already throw the ball. Okay, the action happened already. Yes, if you happened, if the action or happened already, then we will say it as a threw, not a throw. It's a threw. Okay, this bird is flied already. Yes, it's not beginning. It's a flew. It's a flew. Where is a flew? Yes, here is a flew. FLEW, flew. Okay, first I am just writing the letter, then I will explain the meaning of each and every picture and its particular word. Okay, next tell me what is this? This is screw. Very good. Yeah, tell me loudly, screw. Tell me loudly, screw. What is the spelling you are getting? Screw. Yes, you are getting the yes sound, isn't it? Where is the yes? In the option, something is getting starting with yes. Where it is? Yes, here is a yes, CR, screw. Yes, CR, screw. Okay, let's see here. This is, what is this? This is a baby, and the baby grow little bit, and the infant will go like a kid, and kid to youth, and youth to middle age, then after age, and he become a grandfather. This is a grew. He grown, isn't it? He grew. You are getting a G sound. Grew. G R, grew. Okay, let's see here. What is this? This is a glue, isn't it? This is a glue. Already GR is finished. Glue. What is this? Glue. Yes, you're getting a G sound as well as L sound. Glue. Okay, glue. This is a glue. GLUE. It's here itself giving the spelling. Glue. Okay, listen here. This is a sheep. The sheep is eating something, isn't it? The sheep is chewing. Chew. You have a CH sound. Chew. Yes, what is this? Chew. Yes, CH. What is this? CH sound. CH. Chew. Okay, listen. Here is the one spray bottle. What is the color of the spray bottle? Blue. Yes, for UE was given. Where is the first two letter? Blue. This end starting with B. Yes, here is a BL. Blue. BL. L, blue. Okay, the first step was finished. We just written the starting letter. Now I am going to tell the meaning of each and every letter. Okay, so listen here. Here is a girl. She is blowing the balloon, isn't it? She is blowing the balloon. B-L-E-W, blue. Okay, this is a different blue and this is a different blue. Don't get confused, children. Okay, here the children, they are playing with the ball. Okay, the boy threw the ball, threw the ball. So T-H-R-E-W, threw. Okay, listen here. This is a bird. It get flew. It's not a fly, it's get flew. The bird get flew means a bird flied already. Okay, tell me the spelling. F-L-E-W, flew. Okay, you know it. This is a screw. S-C-R-E-W, screw. Okay, this is grew. The from baby to a grandfather, he get grew, isn't it? Grew. G-R-E-W, grew. This is glue. G-L-U-E, glue. Okay, this is chew. The sheep is chewing the grass. Chew. C-H-E-W, chew. Okay, and this is a spray bottle. And then what is the color of the spray bottle? Blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Okay, children, now you understand? Yes, let's move to the next exercise. Okay, now look at the picture carefully, children. You can get easily because it's like a game. Okay, let's explain you what is a game actually. Listen here, like circle, like the image is given. This is a blue and this is a yellow and this is a red color. Okay, so for taken a blue color, first one here, A-L-L, all is given. Okay, this is a F. So we want to add F to all. Fall, stall, wall, small, ball. Okay, we want to put a F. F means we want to put a F. If you ST means you want to put a ST, then you want to write it on the particular line. Okay, it's very easy, isn't it? Okay, you want to form a word. Okay, let's see. This is a ALL, all, F, ST, st, W, W, SM, B. Okay, these are the words were around given in all. Okay, now I am going to tell the first one. F, then all. Okay, now tell me the sound of F. This is what is ALL, all. Fall. What is the sound of F? What is the sound of ALL? All. Fall, isn't it? Fall, you get the fall. Okay, next, this is a, I'm getting S-T-A-L-L. Okay, you already know what is the sound of A-L-L? All. What is the sound of A-L-L? All. What is the sound of A-L-L? All. What is this? S-T, all. All. Stall. Okay, you're getting a stall. Okay, I will explain you after writing the everything. If you finish the blue color, then I will explain the meaning. Okay, this is a stall. Okay, next one, W. What is the sound of W? All. Wall. W A L L, wall. Okay, next, fourth one, S-M-A-L-L, small. Okay, S-M-A-L-L, small. What is the sound of S-M? Small. Okay, can able to read it out, isn't it? Okay, tell me the sound of A-L-L. All. What is the sound of A-L-L? All. Okay, what is this? What is the sound of B? All. B A L L, ball. Okay, now I've just taken and write it here. Now I'm going to explain what is the meaning of each and every word. Fall means if you're walking, you get fall by anything, like if you get hurt with stone, you just fall down it, isn't it? That is a fall. This is a stall. Stall means it's a temporary shop. Wall, you know the wall, isn't it? Wall means if you have a compound wall in your home, that is a wall. Small means little, tiny. Ball, you know the meaning for ball is a toy, is it? You can play using the ball, you can play it. Okay, the blue was finished. Next we will go to the yellow circle. The first here the circle was given. Listen, ALK, 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 alk. Okay, you want to pronounce it lightly. Alk, alk. Okay, what is the sound of ALL? All. Don't forget that. What is the sound of ALK? Alk. The K sound. Alk. Okay, the same procedure we are going to follow. What is the procedure we followed for U column? The same procedure was going to follow in the yellow portion also. So this is so what is the sound of ALK? Alk. Alk. So this is what is the sound of T? T. T. Alk. Talk. 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 T. A. L. K. Talk. Talk. Arc. Arc. Okay, next this is a bark. Bark. BALK. Bark. BALK. Bark. Okay, this is stalk. 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 Yes. T. Stalk. Stalk. Not a stalk, it's a stalk. A sound. Stalk. 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 This is CH. What is the sound of CH? Like a chew. Chew. Cha. 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 Chalk. 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 You're using the chalk, you can write it on the board, isn't it? Okay, tell me the sound of W. 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 Ak. Walk. Walk. W. A. L. K. Walk. Okay, listen it carefully, children. What is the sound of the center three-letter word? Arc. Arc. Talk, bark, stalk, chalk, and walk. Okay, let's move to the red portion. Okay, in the red portion, alt is given. Alt. ALT is alt. Okay, what is the sound of the three-letter word? ALT. Alt. What is the sound of the three-letter word? ALL. Alt. What is the sound of three-letter word? ALK. Alk. What is the sound of the three-letter word? ALT. 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 Okay. Here the H given, S given, M and EX given. Okay, first we are going to do this H. What is the sound of H? Ha. Ha. Alt. Halt. Ha. Alt. Halt. Okay, ha. Alt. Halt. And this is S. What is the sound of the S? Salt. Alt. Salt. Salt. Yes, you know the salt, isn't it? We will use to put it on the food, isn't it? Salt. Salt. Okay, this is alt. Malt. Malt. Alt. Malt. Malt. Okay, this is EX. X. X. What is the sound of E? AE. X. X. Exalt. Exalt. X. Alt. X alt. Okay, so listen carefully, children. One more time I am telling the blue letters. Come to the blue letter. This is a ALL. 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 Fall. Stall. Wall. Small. Ball. Okay, this is ALK. Talk. Bark. Stalk. Chalk and walk. This is ALT. Alt. Halt. Salt, malt and exalt. Okay, now we have been read the we can able to read the three letter word, some of the word like AL, ALK and ALT. Okay, do you remember it? ALL, the sound of ALL is all, the sound of ALK is alk, and the sound of ALT is alt. Okay, don't forget children. Okay, let's move to the next exercise.